There's poo everywhere!
It's day 3 here at Royalton, and we've had some interesting events. And the one I'm about to tell you is how our room filled up with poo. Let's send it back to Alec and he'll show you everything.
Alright guys, so we're in Cancun and everything's going amazing. We're having fun, we're playing beach volleyball, we're swimming, we're getting tan, we're doing all that, right? Come back to the room today and the entire floor is leaked. There's poo everywhere. And now I'm stuck on the bed and the other guys are at the beach and I'm just stuck here. There's poo water everywhere. So I don't really know what to do. Called the maintenance guys. They're gonna come in a second, but this is not good.
There's like, that's a health hazard, right? Like, we can literally get disease from shit. Like E. coli and the sewage and stuff. So like, if you could bring a cart
I need some slippers.
to get out of the... Dude, we have to go in there and get our stuff. I know we have to go.
There's poo everywhere. Yo, it's bad.
They still haven't had anyone there, eh?
No.
You called them like, at least don't want to spend hours dealing with this. Dealing with these, right? Show them the poo.
I can't leave the bed.
They're going now, sorry.
I mean, our room's covered in poo. Fun is better, but great vacation so far. No.
Guys, it smells bad. I'm really struggling right now, guys. It's rough in here, bad. Oh, my head's hurting.
How are you gonna get out of there?
We're gonna do nothing, buddy.
Okay guys, so we were taking a little stroll through the hotel trying to find our room, but we discovered that the entire foundation of the Royalton here in Cancun is filled with sewage.
Swampland.
It is built on a swamp of sewage. I noticed the smell the other day when I was swimming in the ocean, a little bit pooey. Could possibly explain why our room was flooded with poo, potentially. But we're gonna go and try and get a close-up to show you guys what it looks like. See what it looks like. I don't know if you can see right now, but the entire hotel, oh my god, it smells disgusting. It smells disgusting. The whole hotel is built on poo.
It smells like fucking this sewage.
I should call her.
It's like I walked in the fucking. Oh, that's hilarious. Like,
Oh, it smells bad.
this is fucked.
How's it going, buddy?
Fucking miserable, man. We got special bracelets to what? Oh!
This is the hideaway, because when you're here, you're gonna want to hide away. To poo in Mexico over the cold in Canada.